So I mean, just kind of give you some of the options that you have. And like I said, if you're one of these folks who like to build your technology stack, you don't want the vendor lock-in. Something like Umbraco, like I said, you don't have to do it, but it's just one that comes to mind, and it's been around for a while. Something like an Umbraco Hardcore, Heartcore, Hardcore, and that's their headless CMS, would be a good option if you want to have that control over your technology stack. You're comfortable with .NET, and you're trying to build that composable a digital experience platform where you're taking components and putting it together. Like I said, you got ServiceNow, Salesforce, like I said, you got call centers. You've got so many different channels now. So you want to be able to create those deep API integrations. Like I said, something like an Umbraco Hardcore would probably be a good standard. So I would compare everything to that. So that kind of gives you the spectrum. Everything from, like I said, you got a Umbraco on one end of the spectrum, and you got an Adobe Experience Manager on the other. And then in between, you got stuff like the Site Core Experience Platform. It's a good one. Like I said, there are consultants like the ones IBM have that work with something like an Adobe Experience Manager to create all sorts of ways to make your organization more effective when it comes to getting content out to its users, and the analytics piece of it as well, to see how users are actually interacting with your content. And that includes phone calls and clicks and chats and things like that. Being able to analyze that data and then operationalize the insights that you get from that data. You know what I mean? So, I think we got a good idea of this digital experience platform era, that we're in, and like I said, hopefully we can circle back around and get in deeper. Do PowerPoint, or share my screen and show you all some things. But I think we're good. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this. As always, feel free to click the like button, or subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. Keep the content flowing, and we'll talk. Thank you, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.